I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disconnect unwanted apps and services from your Spotify account. And to be clear, you can only disconnect unwanted apps and services from your Spotify account through the website, and you can't do this through the mobile app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Spotify.com, and then sign into your Spotify account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Spotify home screen. And again, you can only do this through the Spotify website, and you can't do it through the Spotify mobile app. Step 2. Click your Spotify profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then click Settings. Step 3. Navigate down to the Security and Privacy section, and then click Manage Apps in this section. The associated screen opens where you'll see a list of all of the apps and services that you've given access to your Spotify account. Step 4. Find the specific app or service in this list that you no longer want to have access to your Spotify account, and then click Remove Access next to that item. That app or service will be removed from the list immediately, and you'll see a note on the screen letting you know that access to your Spotify account has been revoked for that application. That app or service will no longer have access to your Spotify account going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.